For the past decade, Queta Bond has led the charge of the borough's Welcome Fund's $20 million investment in science education in North Carolina. Queta has been dedicated to improving science education in our state and exposing more students to science career opportunities.
We've begun our efforts here by providing opportunities for kids in the middle school and high school to actually do science, to have fun with science and understand how science relates to their daily lives.
Students are just one element in science education reform. In order to establish a solid foundation, key partnerships needed to be created with other North Carolina organizations and policymakers.
About 10 years ago, when I met Queta for the first time, I was invited to serve on the Student Science Enrichment Program Advisory Board. I realized then that she was interested in the right things, interested in providing opportunities for young people, interested in making sure that partnerships were developed.
Once Queta Bond commits herself to a subject, an issue, or program, she literally gets very involved with investigating the subject matter. There are no limitations on her serving as a leader. She's not one to sit behind a desk and just rubber stamp, an initiative, a program, or just sign the check. She gets involved.
Queta's leadership helped create a partnership with the National Science Resource Center to establish science education training for school districts in North Carolina.
That LASER project, as it's referred to, will impact 115 school districts, 1.4 million children. It would not be possible without her willingness to devote both energy and funding to that project. I think it's maybe the most significant thing that's happened in science education reform in North Carolina in a long time. It's her vision and leadership and focus that really led to the creation of the center and the center's opportunity to make a difference in science education, not just now, but on into the future.
Having Queta Bond receive this award not only recognizes the commitment and the dedication that she has made to this area, but it also tells her thank you, for the many days and evenings that she spent researching and investigating and networking, and that it really does pay off in the long run. So thank you, Queta, for doing all the things that you've done.